Most people think wrinkles and sagging skin are simply the result of getting older. Time passes, collagen fades, and there is very little you can do about it. But that assumption is incomplete. What the research actually shows is that collagen loss is not driven by age alone. It is driven by signaling by what you consume, how often you consume it, and whether your body receives the specific biochemical cues required to maintain skin structure. Here is the surprising part. One of the most common daily habits on the planet, drinking coffee, can either accelerate collagen breakdown or become a powerful delivery system for collagen support. The difference is not the coffee itself. It is what you put into it. Collagen is the structural protein that gives your skin firmness, elasticity, and smoothness. It is also essential for joint integrity, gut health, and connective tissue strength. Starting in adulthood, collagen production steadily declines. But what is often overlooked is that fibroblast cells, the cells that produce collagen, remain active well into later life. They simply require the right inputs. Amino acids, micronutrients, and hormonal signals all determine whether these cells build collagen or shut that process down. From a neuroscience and behavioral perspective, this matters because habits anchored to existing routines are far more likely to stick. Coffee is already deeply ingrained in the brain's reward and alertness systems. It triggers dopamine, increases focus, and anchors morning rituals. When you pair a biologically meaningful nutrient with a habit that already exists, you dramatically increase consistency. And consistency is what drives visible change in skin quality. In this talk, you are going to learn what the research shows about a specific compound that, when added to coffee in the right way, supports collagen synthesis, improves skin hydration, and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines over time. We will break down how it works at the cellular level, how it interacts with caffeine, and how to use it without disrupting sleep, hormones, or digestion. More importantly, you will learn a simple protocol: when to use it, how much to use, and who benefits most. This is not about quick fixes or cosmetic tricks. It is about aligning a daily behavior with the biology of skin repair and regeneration. Collagen is not just a skin protein. It is the scaffolding that holds your entire body together. Think of it like the steel framework inside a building. Without it, your skin sags, your joints lose stability, and your connective tissue weakens. What many people do not realize is that collagen production is not entirely fixed by age. Your fibroblast cells, the cells responsible for building collagen, remain active throughout your life. They are simply responsive to signals. Feed them the right materials and they can rebuild even in later decades. Here is what the research shows. Collagen synthesis relies on 3 critical amino acids: glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. These are the literal building blocks. Without enough of them, your fibroblasts struggle to produce the strong, organized fibers that keep skin firm. Studies, including one published in Nutrients in 2019, indicate that supplemental collagen peptides increase skin elasticity and hydration by providing these amino acids directly to your fibroblasts. But amino acids are only one piece of the puzzle. Micronutrients such as vitamin C act as essential coactors. Without vitamin C, the fibroblast machinery cannot properly link amino acids together into the triple helix structure that forms functional collagen. Zinc also plays a key role in enzyme activity required for collagen maturation. Essentially, these nutrients are the spark that turns your fibroblasts from idle to productive. Here's the connection to coffee. When you add a high-quality collagen peptide powder to your morning coffee, you are creating a moment where habit meets biology. Coffee stimulates alertness, dopamine, and routine reinforcement. By anchoring collagen intake to this pre-existing habit, you dramatically improve adherence. You do not have to remember a separate supplement or protein shake. It becomes effortless and automatic. A simple tool to apply is this. Choose a collagen peptide supplement that is flavor neutral and fully dissolvable. Stir it into your morning coffee once a day, ideally in the mid-morning window when blood flow to your skin is optimal. This ensures the amino acids and micronutrients are available when fibroblasts are most receptive. Over weeks, the cumulative effect is measurable. Skin hydration increases, fine lines soften, and your connective tissue integrity is supported. Have you noticed how some mornings your skin feels dry or tight even if you are well hydrated? That is a sign your fibroblasts are under-resourced. By providing these targeted nutrients consistently, you are essentially sending a growth signal to your skin cells. Over time, the body responds. This is the science of proactive collagen maintenance, a small daily habit producing a large visible effect. One of the most powerful principles in behavioral science is habit stacking. Your brain has a limited capacity for forming new routines, but it excels at linking new behaviors to ones that are already automatic. Coffee is one of the most consistent daily rituals for millions of people. It triggers dopamine release, improves alertness, and signals the start of the day. By pairing collagen intake with your coffee ritual, you are leveraging a pre-existing neurological pathway to ensure consistency. Here is what the research shows. This is not just about convenience. It is biology. When a behavior is tied to a reward signal, the brain reinforces the neural pathways associated with that action. Coffee naturally provides that reward. When you combine it with collagen, the brain begins to associate the habit not only with alertness, but also with nourishing your skin, joints, and connective tissue. A simple tool to apply is creating a coffee ritual stack. Before you brew, place your collagen powder beside your mug. As soon as the coffee is ready, add the collagen. Stir and take a moment to consciously acknowledge the benefit. I am fueling my skin and connective tissue today. This small, mindful action strengthens the neurological association. Over time, it transitions from a conscious effort to an automatic habit, just like brushing your teeth or pouring your morning coffee. From a motivational perspective, notice the subtle psychological effect of visible progress. Skin and connective tissue respond gradually. To maintain engagement, consider tracking small wins, hydration levels, firmness, or how your skin feels in the morning. These tangible signals reinforce the behavior in a feedback loop that strengthens habit formation. Finally, consider timing. Your mid-morning window, roughly 1 to 2 hours after waking, is when blood flow and nutrient absorption are often optimal for skin and connective tissue. Pairing collagen intake with coffee during this window maximizes the signal to fibroblasts while anchoring the habit in an existing neurological routine. This is how neuroscience, psychology, and practical lifestyle habits converge to create a simple, high-impact behavior. The effectiveness of collagen supplementation depends almost entirely on its amino acid profile. The three most critical amino acids, glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, serve as the scaffolding for building new collagen fibers. Glycine alone accounts for roughly 1/3 of the collagen structure, making it essential for skin elasticity, joint stability, and connective tissue resilience. Proline contributes to the stability of the triple helix collagen structure, while hydroxyproline is crucial for maintaining the strength and rigidity of those fibers. Without these amino acids in sufficient amounts, fibroblasts cannot construct functional collagen, even if all other conditions are optimal. Here's where coffee becomes a surprisingly effective delivery system. Many people assume that heat or caffeine might degrade amino acids, but research shows that high-quality collagen peptides are remarkably heat-stable. When stirred into coffee, they maintain their structure and bioavailability. Studies in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry confirm that high-grade collagen peptides remain intact and are efficiently absorbed in the gastrointestinal tract, delivering amino acids directly to the bloodstream and ultimately to skin and connective tissue. A simple protocol to apply is to use 10 grams of hydrazine collagen peptides per day stirred into your morning coffee. This provides a targeted dose of glycine proline and hydroxyproline. You can alternate between hot coffee or warm water if you prefer, as the peptides are highly soluble. Over a period of 8 to 12 weeks, research shows measurable improvements in skin elasticity, hydration, and wrinkle depth, even in adults over 60. Have you noticed how some supplements require strict timing with meals or digestion? Collagen peptides are uniquely flexible. Consuming them with coffee does not significantly interfere with absorption. However, pairing them with a small source of vitamin C, such as lemon juice or a few berries, can dramatically enhance collagen synthesis. Vitamin C acts as a coactor for prol and lysyl hydroxylase, the enzymes that assemble collagen fibers. Essentially, it is the spark that activates fibroblasts to turn amino acids into functional high-strength collagen. From a behavioral perspective, this is a powerful tool. By adding collagen peptides to coffee, you are simultaneously optimizing both biochemistry and habit. Over time, your fibroblasts respond to the daily availability of amino acids. Your skin becomes more hydrated and resilient, and your connective tissues regain strength. The key takeaway is this: the right amino acids delivered consistently and with supporting micronutrients create a measurable, science-backed improvement in skin structure. While amino acids provide the raw materials for collagen, micronutrients act as the essential catalysts that determine whether those materials are used efficiently. Vitamin C is the most critical. Without it, fibroblasts cannot properly link amino acids into the strong triple helix collagen structure. Studies published in Nutrients and the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry demonstrate that supplemental vitamin C enhances collagen production, improves skin hydration, and even reduces the appearance of wrinkles over time. Zinc is another essential coactor, supporting enzyme activity required for collagen maturation and repair. Magnesium also plays a subtle yet important role in connective tissue integrity. Here is how to apply this insight practically. One simple approach is to pair your collagen coffee with a small natural source of vitamin C, such as a squeeze of lemon, a few berries, or a splash of orange juice. The goal is not to create a large meal, but to provide enough vitamin C to support fibroblast activity. This minor addition dramatically amplifies the effect of collagen peptides. Zinc can be incorporated through diets such as nuts, seeds, or whole grains, or via a low-dose supplement if necessary. A key behavioral tip is to integrate these micronutrients into the same ritual as your collagen coffee. By keeping the routine compact, you reduce decision fatigue and increase consistency. Consistency, as we know from habit science, is far more important than occasional intensity. Over weeks, this alignment of nutrients, timing, and habit becomes a high reliability signal to your fibroblasts. Build collagen today? Have you noticed how some people add sugar or cream to coffee without thinking about its impact? Simple modifications like using minimal sugar or opting for plant-based milk can prevent minor inflammatory responses that interfere with fibroblast efficiency. This is an example of a subtle lifestyle modifier that can significantly improve outcomes without requiring a complete overhaul of your morning routine. Caffeine is one of the most widely consumed psychoactive compounds in the world, and it does more than just wake you up. It influences blood flow, alertness, and even cellular activity in ways that can intersect with nutrient absorption. Research published in Food and Function and Frontiers in Nutrition shows that caffeine can temporarily increase blood flow to the skin, potentially enhancing delivery of amino acids and micronutrients to fibroblasts. However, the timing and context of intake are critical to maximize benefits without compromising sleep, stress response, or hormonal balance. Here is what the research shows. Consuming collagen peptides with coffee in the mid-morning, approximately 1 to 2 hours after waking, strikes a balance between alertness and nutrient uptake. At this time, cortisol levels are declining from their early morning peak, which reduces stress-mediated collagen breakdown. Fibroblasts are most receptive when blood flow is steady, nutrients are available, and inflammatory markers are low. Pairing collagen with coffee during this window optimizes the signal your body receives. A practical protocol is simple. Brew your coffee as usual. Add your collagen peptides and include a small vitamin C source. Stir well, sip mindfully, and consider this your collagen signal to your body. Avoid adding large amounts of sugar, cream, or artificial sweeteners, as these can slightly increase inflammatory signaling and blunt collagen synthesis over time. An often overlooked aspect is hormonal synergy. Evening coffee or caffeine too close to bedtime can disrupt sleep, increase cortisol at the wrong time, and impair growth hormone secretion, all of which are critical for tissue repair. By aligning your collagen coffee habit to mid-M morning, you preserve natural circadian rhythms, optimize hormone balance, and enhance nutrient utilization. This small adjustment, guided by biology, can have outsized effects over weeks and months. Have you noticed how a simple shift in timing can improve not only performance but also recovery? That principle applies here. The combination of caffeine, collagen peptides, and micronutrients works best when timed to your body's natural cycles. From a motivational perspective, consider this a subtle but powerful leverage point. You are not adding complexity to your day. You are simply using an existing habit to send the right biochemical and neurological signals to your body. Over time, your skin appears smoother, your connective tissue stronger, and your daily routine more aligned with your biology. Collagen synthesis does not occur in isolation. Even the best amino acids, micronutrients, and coffee timing will have limited effect if other lifestyle factors are neglected. Hydration is fundamental. Skin is roughly 60% water, and fibroblast activity is highly sensitive to cellular hydration. Research in clinical, cosmetic, and investigational dermatology shows that well-hydrated skin supports better elasticity, smoother texture, and more effective collagen cross-linking. A simple tool is to consume water throughout the day, aiming for steady hydration rather than large volumes at once. Pairing your collagen coffee with a glass of water helps kickstart both fibroblast activity and overall skin hydration. Anti-inflammatory nutrition is another critical modifier. Chronic low-grade inflammation accelerates collagen breakdown. Studies on polyphenols, such as those found in berries, green tea, and certain nuts, demonstrate reduced oxidative stress and protection of collagen fibers. Integrating these foods into your diet alongside your collagen coffee ritual creates a synergistic effect. Your fibroblasts have both the building blocks and a protective environment to work efficiently. Sleep is equally important. Growth hormone peaks during deep sleep and is a key driver of tissue repair, including collagen synthesis. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism indicates that even modest sleep restriction reduces fibroblast activity and skin repair. A practical approach is to maintain consistent sleep schedules, prioritize deep sleep, and avoid caffeine later in the day. This aligns your hormonal cycles with your nutrient intake for maximal tissue repair. Finally, simple, consistent application is key. The most effective protocol combines mid-morning collagen coffee with hydration, supportive micronutrients, anti-inflammatory foods, and quality sleep over weeks. This approach produces visible improvements in skin elasticity, smoothness, and overall connective tissue integrity. The focus is on alignment, biochemical signals, behavioral consistency, and lifestyle habits, all working together to shift your body toward repair and regeneration. Have you ever noticed that small, precisely timed changes often deliver far more meaningful and lasting results than extreme or drastic interventions? That same principle applies perfectly here. Instead of relying on complicated routines or aggressive approaches, you are simply aligning key factors: nutrition, proper hydration, timing, and quality sleep with one consistent daily habit centered around your coffee. When these elements come together, they create a powerful, layered signal to your fibroblasts, the specialized cells responsible for producing collagen, encouraging them to stay active and continue building the structural proteins your skin and connective tissues rely on. This is not magic or wishful thinking. It is science applied in a consistent, practical way, where the cumulative effect builds gradually and becomes both measurable and sustainable over time. Throughout this video, we've taken a closer look at how something as simple and familiar as your morning coffee can be transformed into a highly effective delivery system for supporting collagen synthesis, improving skin hydration, and strengthening connective tissue health. We started by breaking down a critical idea that collagen production is not permanently limited by age. Even as you get older, your fibroblasts remain alive, responsive, and capable of producing collagen when they receive the right signals. These signals come in the form of adequate amino acids, essential micronutrients, proper timing of intake, and supportive lifestyle habits that reinforce the process rather than hinder it. We also explored the concept of habit stacking, which uses your brain's natural reward pathways to make new behaviors feel automatic rather than forced. By attaching collagen-supporting nutrients to an already established routine like your daily coffee, you remove friction and resistance, making consistency almost effortless. Over time, this simple pairing turns into a reliable system, one that ensures your body receives the building blocks it needs regularly without requiring extra motivation or complex planning. And when consistency is maintained, the body responds. Gradually, these small repeated actions begin to compound, supporting healthier skin, improved elasticity, and stronger connective tissues in a way that feels natural and sustainable rather than overwhelming or temporary. If this video has been valuable, like, comment, and subscribe. Join the community committed to turning science into actionable daily practices that improve mind, body, and life. Each small, consistent step compounds, and over time, you will see that the most powerful interventions are the ones you integrate seamlessly into your daily routine. Today, with one simple addition to your coffee, you can start signaling your body to maintain strength, resilience, and vitality. Because aging does not have to mean decline.